Welcome. In this module, we're going to look at security hardening and secure software images and really how we are supposed to go about the life cycle of maintaining secure software images. And the best way to talk about this is to look into the detail provided by CIS 20 critical security controls that we also use as a benchmark or a framework for the security engineering, which is layer 3 of the security transformation model presented in this course. And we'll talk about Control 5 version 7, which talks about secure configuration for hardware and software on mobile devices, laptops, workstations, and servers. Now, Control 5.1 says, establish secure configurations, maintain documented standard security configuration standards for all authorized operating systems and software. 5.2, maintain secure images, and this is really what we wanted to talk about. Maintain secure images. Now, when you've done all the security hardening, you maintain that hardened image. And if it's a VMware or virtualized image, then it's very easy to copy that image. And then whenever you have a new instance to deploy, you can just pick up the hardened image and use that as a baseline and then build the configuration on top of that baseline security or secure software image. So maintain secure images or templates for all the systems in the enterprise based on the organization's approved configuration standards or your baseline. Any new system deployment or existing system that becomes compromised or there's malware on it should be imaged using one of those secure images or templates. 5.3, securely store master images. Store the master images, which is the hardened image, baseline security hardened image, and templates on securely configured servers, validated with integrity monitoring tools to ensure that only authorized changes to the images are possible. 5.4, deploy system configuration management tools. Deploy system configuration management tools that will automatically enforce and redeploy configuration settings to systems at regularly scheduled intervals, because we will need to update and upgrade the configuration on an ongoing basis. And for example, you can use Active Directory for Windows. Implement automated configuration monitoring systems as well. Utilize a security content automation protocol like SCAP, compliant configuration monitoring system, to verify all security configuration elements, catalog approved exceptions, and alert when unauthorized changes occur. So, this SCAP scanning functionality is available in, let's say, Qualys or Nessus or other tools. And if you want the monitoring system, then Qualys, for example, also has a monitoring capability and it'll allow you to do that. Or you can search for a tool that will let you know if the configuration changes. That's all that we have for this module. Thank you.